Alrighty guys, we picked up this, it's called GOOSH. We'll put a link for it down below in the description, but it's a big spider with a glowing back. Had a really weird name on Amazon. So, alright, we got all of our strings and our pegs for the ground here. I got instructions for it, we don't need those. Got a bag for it here. We don't need it either. I mean, we'll keep it for later use, but we don't need it to put her up. Yeah, it's just to hold it. Keep it nice. Toss that over there. Put that in the box, please, sweets. And there's a string here to hold it, so toss that over to her. Now, she doesn't want to unroll you. Okay. So, first off, we got to find the power cord, and then we'll plug that in. Now, these are pretty easy to set up. I mean, these are not hard at all. You just plug them in. After you plug it in, that fan will start kicking on. It'll kick on and it'll start filling up immediately. So at that point, you just position the fan to where she's going to be able to fill her all the way up and let her fill. It'll take a minute. Now I don't know if I think she's upside down. Pretty sure she's upside down. So one thing you can do to help her is just unravel her and get her kind of situated where she's going to be. Now I gotta move it back so I can see. I'm gonna put these in the thing. Thank you. Alright, she comes with the 4 pegs, 10 stakes, whatever. And then I assume there's 4 strings here. And there's going to be marks on her where you put each one of them down. I don't know that we're going to need the strings because it looks like all the pegs are on the ground. If we were going to hang her or set her up on something, like climbing the fence or something, then we could use the strings. So I don't think we need the strings. You want to put these in the box too, please? Sure. And you're just going to look for those little flaps underneath of her. This one right here. You're going to put that through there. And take her right to the ground. Oopsie. Helps if you keep it in, huh? I'm going to turn it the other way. Well, there's the other one. Way back here, okay. Angle it back in a little bit. Then we'll put her in her. Okay guys, and for this one, it seems like they made the motor for the fan a little too powerful, because that peg over there, the fan just kept blowing her right back out. So I had to turn her off, let her deflate, put it in at a pretty steep angle, and then turn her back on. And so far she's holding. So that's all you do, guys. Nice, easy setup. Doesn't take but what, 5 minutes? Maybe 8. I'm not sure. I can't read it.